Hello, America. It's Mark Hale with another marketing tip of the week. This week, I want to talk to you about being cheap. That's right. You know you're doing it. You're being overly cheap with your marketing materials. Your marketing materials reflect directly on the quality of your business. First impressions do matter. Now, if you're emailing a client a PDF of a brochure or a proposal or something, fine, but don't rely on that as the only thing, because people, I don't know how many emails I have on my computer where salespeople have emailed me PDFs of a proposal or a new product, and I flag it, and 6 months later I still haven't looked at it. I don't know if you're the same as me, but it just doesn't work. It's not effective. Don't not do it because it's so inexpensive. Why not? But you need to take for your business and have designed marketing material that you can mail to the customer. Because here's an example of a trifold brochure we did for a chiropractor. If this is mailed to me after you have the conversation or handed, it's sitting there on my desk or in my pile. I can hold it, I can touch it, I can feel it, I can be involved with it. This is one we did for a interior decorating company that they passed out at a trade show. Very nice. I mean, I don't know how many trade shows or home shows I go to, and people are passing out stuff that they ran off on their office copier, which, most of the time they did it because they said, oh my God, I have a home show tomorrow. What do I need for promotional material? I got to hand something out. I got to give people. So they copy it, and it just looks really awful. If you have salespeople that are going out making calls or giving estimates to prospects or customers, you should look at one of these tab file folders. This one in particular we did with where it's got a little fold-up pocket on it. But if you're handing this to a customer with your proposal on the inside, it looks a lot better. It's a lot better representation of you as a business than just handing them a piece of paper or putting it in a manila folder, or Lord forbid you went to Office Depot and you printed off some stickers and you put it on the pocket folder you bought from Office Depot. Oh my God, do you realize how hideous that looks? I'm sorry, I don't mean to hurt your feelings or to upset you, but I'm here to help you, and I want to make you look good. So if you need some help with your marketing material, call in one of our sales consultants. We'll show you how to do it, and do it very affordably where it doesn't break the bank. The nice thing about today with digital presses and digital printing is you don't have to print a ton of these things to keep the price down low. You can almost print them reasonably on demand, but they'll look nice. This wasn't digitally printed. This was something we did on offset, but it's for a pool supply company that they give customers. They're presenting people, $8, $10, $12, $15,000 swimming pools. So they want to give the customer something nice when they're talking to them about the estimate. Here's one we did for a cabinet company, a price list. Now, how many of you out there have price lists that you laid out in Microsoft Word, and you give that stuff to your customer? You may think it's fine. It's not fine. I'm telling you, this is going to make a better impression with your customer, and you're going to make more sales because you spent a little bit of money on your promotion and you knocked off trying to be cheap. I'm just trying to help you. I'm flowing you the love. Stop being so cheap. Call me. It's not very expensive. We're here to help.